welcome back to the channel The Tricky Guy. And in this video, we are covering our top 50 SQL series questions. And today we are solving product price at a given date. So let's come to the problem statement. So we are giving one table products, product ID is here, new price is here, change date is here. Okay. Now product date, product ID, and change date is the primary key combination of columns with unique values. In short, product ID and this change date combines together and makes a primary key so that this table can be uniquely identified. Okay. Now each row of this table indicates that the price of some products was changed to a new price at some date. Okay. For example, product ID this, price is this, price is changed, then we can check by the date of when the price is changed. So what we need to do, we need to write a solution to find prices of all products on 29 18 16. Okay, so we need to write a solution to find prices of all products on this date. Okay, assume the price of all products before any change is 10. Okay, before any change means we need to give this. Okay, like till this date we need to find like products price on this date. Okay, on this date, and if the date is beyond that, that should be 10. Okay, price of that product basically. So let's check with an example coming here. So look, product is one. First of all, date is this. Okay, we need to check till this date, and down dates are greater. Okay, down dates are greater. Look, these are greater ones. Now till this date we need to find product ID 1. One's price is 20, but on which date? 14/8/2029, but we want to find on 16. Is there any time where this price changed or product ID 1? Yes, it changed here also, it changed here also. So for 1, the price is 35. Coming to product ID 2. Product ID 2 price is 50. Somewhere it is changing. Yeah, here it is changing, but the date was different, right? The date was different. So we need to take the on this date. Like before this date we want. Okay, so for 2 it is 50, for 2 it is 50. Now for 3 it is 20, but it is after this date, so it should be 10. So for 3 10. That is what we need to find. For 2 it is 50, for 1 it is 35, and for 3 it is 10. Okay, this is what we need to find. Coming here, okay, there is no any other requirement, or we can result this in any order. So what was the approach we are going to do this question? So first idea that is coming onto my mind, we can break this into parts. First, what we can do, till this date we can find the max price based on ID. So for 1, max date is this. Okay, so 16/8, let's say 16/08. What was the price? It is 35. So this will come. For second, max. Okay, max. So for second, max is this, but we will give this constraint that date should be less than here. Okay, so for 2 it is 50, and basically date will also be here, right? 29/08/410 something. Yeah, but one thing is here, we are not able to track this 3 ID. And why? Because we are using constraint where date is less than here. So what we'll do, we can store this result in a temporary table, temp table, let's say. And when we join this products table, left join, we will do left join here temp, and we will take price from here. So for 1 table, it will give us 35, right? For 2, it will give us 50, but for 3, it doesn't having any price, so price will be null, NULL, null. So if it is null, we will print 10 here. Hope it is clear to you what we are going to do. Let's jump to the question and solve this. Select the star from products. Let's say products. What we want product id comma max change date as dt. Okay, if I am doing max, I need to group by, so group by product id I'm giving, and wait a minute, where change date should be less than or equal to. I'm using one function to date to convert this date into date. Right now it is treating as a string or something, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to give alias here that this is my date. Okay, now let's run this. So it should give us this answer, like these two IDs, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, look, we are getting only two, one and two, and date is coming. Okay, and if you do price here from this group by, you will not get the actual price. Okay, so what to do? Let me do one thing. So I'm giving this table name as A. I'm joining this table with products P on P dot product ID is equal to A dot product ID, and P dot change date equal to A dot dt. After doing this, I'm selecting what I need to select. It is simple, right? I can select P dot product ID, let's say, comma, and P dot price only. That is wrong anyways, but I'm doing it just for, not just for fun, but I'm doing it. Okay, wait a minute, I forgot to write from here, so from will be necessary. Okay, I am attempting it too fast, so let's wait for some time. Now run. What I want here in my answer, so I want the ID first, second, and its price. Pretty simple. Okay, p dot price never exists, so new price is the column, so new price. Let's run this again. So here I'm just checking how we are going to solve this questions. So these questions are easy, like pretty easy. So let's see. Yeah, so for 2 it is 50, and for 1 it is 35. This is what we is coming, and this is what we needed coming above with temp table as. Okay, now select star from products table PA. This time I'm giving it name. Now left joining, I'm left joining this, left join with what, with temp temp on PA dot product ID equal to temp dot product ID. This is what I want, but what I want instead here is from PA I want product ID, and for temp I want new price, nothing but just new price, and we want distant ones, so like repetitive we don't want, so distant, let's say, because here you can see here these are too many of ones, so it will show you results, but same result. Okay, so look, for one it is coming as 35, for two it is 50, and for three it is null. That is what we wanted. Okay, now what distant is doing here, let me again go through. It will just do nothing, like 3 is coming 3 times, 2 is coming that much time, so it will show the same. Look, It is showing same. 3 is coming 3 times, 2 is coming 2 times, but the things is same. So distant is necessary here. So distant is control Z. Yeah. So distant is necessary here. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to play one game, that is case when. So let's see case when. When what? When this is null, then 10, then 10, else this only, and as price. Let's say price. Okay. This is what we are going to do. Now I'm just saying, okay, so in output we also only want price here. So let's see. Yeah, it is accepted totally. Submitting. Okay, it got submitted as well. But yeah, it got submitted as well, and it is a good question. And if you are having any doubts here, you can comment on YouTube channel of this video, and I will clear all those doubts. So thank you for watching. Okay, bye.